Alright, chat. So some wild just happened. Of course, my first run of the night. I was racing 20. Not much. I was about 2 cars ahead when all of a sudden I see flashing lights in my rear view. Ironically, we got the EKs out. We got a 4-door. We got a hatch. We got a coupe. We got another coupe. We got another hatch. All motor. Turbo. All-wheel drive. Turbo. All motor. About to be turbo. And it's a Sunday. We got something very special for y'all. It's next door though. Let's wait 2 seconds. Welcome back to paradise yet again. Today we're gonna start getting ready for Honda Day on our side by getting our shop race car ready. This video is sponsored by my boy John. He's been so grateful to add this beat to our repertoire for the YouTube videos. Just like me, he also records, engineers, and masters. Hit him up on IG. Makes a lot of beats as well, has his own different style. Check him out.
Nice.
Alright guys, sorry for the lack thereof of talking, with us just trying to get work done and copyrighted music. We didn't have too much time to talk to y'all, but the goal of the day was just to get the motor in the car so we can do the rest of the charge piping and turbo stuff. This setup has already been in this car before, so we're just putting it back in. Gonna get a retune, hopefully have a track day and a test day, so stay tuned for the track day video. That'll be a very exciting video to watch as we dial in this car for H day. And even some of the other cars that we have lying around the shop will be probably hitting that test day too. We have a lot to do before H day, so stay tuned with us. The Instagram will have more updated content as far as how much this is done. The YouTube channel is probably about like 4 to 5 days, if not a week behind. So stay tuned to the Instagram account. All right, chat. So some wild just happened. Of course, my first run of the night. I was racing 20. Not much. I was about 2 cars ahead when all of a sudden I see flashing lights in my rear view. Looking back, I never actually clarified on that clip, but I witnessed a black car racing a silver car. The black car won.
Shut up, man.
The black car won. And shortly after, flashing lights proceeded to come behind the black car, then go behind the silver car, pull over the silver car, and the black car vanished. Now back to the video.
I'm gonna run him right now. And then
After the heat dies down.
That while I'm in the uniform, he got me doing right here coming off the highway. And then he was like, what kind of license do you have? I was like, a CDL. I was like, please. And then he's in the suit like, bro, no ticket.
This bird is fuck. Watch out behind you, sir. That's easy, bunny. That's a snack right there. Easy snacks.
That's why you run it.
Nah, huh?
So that's why you run it.
Bro, I thought I was bundled up. Bro, I'm cold. I really thought I was bundled up. I'm cold. What is he? Is he over there doing a burnout, bro? Oh my God. Brr.
Oh, you just did a 40 roll with him.
Literally.
Oh.
Walk it up. I got a flashlight attachment extendo, cuz. Nah, I'm about to go sit in my car and warm up and partake in activities. But I need some more shots of this red egg. I can turn over there.
Recording like shit.
Everybody's recording. Work this thing. It's so weird inverted. Yeah, used to that.